our channel Safuscreation. For all our new viewers, please subscribe to our channel and support us to post more tutorial videos. Please watch the video till the end so you will not miss any important tips. Today we will learn how to make a silk thread bangle like this. First, let us say the materials required: silk thread, fabric glue, stone lace, bangles, scissors, and a cardboard or anything flat. Wrap your silk thread around your cardboard 25 times. Now we are going to cut our silk thread from the top. Now we have got 25 strings of our silk thread. Now you are going to stick your silk thread to the inside of your bangle. Watch carefully. We are going to wrap our silk thread around our bangle and be careful. Don't let your thread overlap each other so that it will look messy if you overlap. In between, make glue while wrapping. We are going to end wrapping our bangle. Your bangles won't be perfect for the first time. Don't give up. It will be alright. Practice every time makes it better. And we are going to put glue inside our bangle in the end and cut a little bit and stick it inside and press it. We are going to cut 2 lines from this. Now we are going to put fabric glue on the bangle and stick our stone to give our bangle a grand look. Keep it for a whole day for drying. Then your silk thread and your stone will never come out. Our silk thread bangle is ready.